Hello, good day, ma'am. We are about to present our system entitled Healing Hands Reflexology and Massage Management System. So, our client named Healing Hands Massage Reflex and Therapy is currently based in Valencia, Negros Oriental. So we made this system for them to have a process for the to streamline the process for the scheduling between the customers and the therapists. So this system consists of four key entities, namely the admin, the manager, the staff, and of course the customer. But we will start with the admin interface, which will be discussed by Trasha Tarukan.
So this is the admin side. As you can see here, this is the login page for the admin. So first things first, we need to log in the account. Sakto ba? So after logging in, the system will redirect you to the dashboard. So as you can see here, we can see the total appointments, the total customers, and the uh, pending appointments uh, for the for the customers. So we can also see here uh, the pending customer, so that needs user approval, and also the recent reservations. Next feature is admin can add services. Uh, Admin can add services like, for example, so add new services. Then this is the output where it have um, a message that the service is added successfully. So next is the managed services. So here we can it displays all the services that the clients offered. Then so makita nato diri ang atong gi-add. So we can update and also delete, but we delete this na lang kay wala na siya labot sa kanang services sa client. Next feature is admin can also add products, same sa services. Also, admin can manage inventory products. So, admin can update also and delete sa kuan products sa system. So, next is the appointment log. So, this is the logs or the history of the recent or the old in the system. So since this is the admin, admin is not a part of the transaction process and the appointment process. So ang makita ra sa admin is the history of the appointments. The next is to add a user. So this is admin can add user. Then depending on the user role, uh, the admin can add a staff, manager, and customer. Next is the users list. So since the admin is have the authority to manage users, so pwede siya mo delete and mo edit sa informations of different types of users, whether it is a customer, staff, or a manager. Next is the user approval. So one of the best feature for the system is it have a user approval for in order for the client's security kay syempre kuan man naman siya transaction process, so it is it needs approval so that for authentication lang. So admin can update or delete, I update or I confirm or reject a status of a types of user. So here if mag-register pod ang staff or ang manager diri, ma-display pod na siya diri since the admin is kanang gahold sa tanang accounts sa system. So for example, ato na siyang i-approved. Then it says here that user with ID 31 has been approved. Then same with the reject, ma-reject gihapon na siya. Reject na to. So user ID with ID 32 has been rejected. So after that is the invoice. This is the invoice list. So ang mahimo ra sa admin is to only view the invoices because admin again is not part of the transaction process. So ang kung ano niya is maka-view siya, like for example ato i-view siya. So after clicking that, it will redirect to a PDF format. So here, then i-back na to. So next is the activity logs. So the admin is the one who will monitor the system's health. So makita diri if na error diri mo butang po na siya sa description na there's been an error due to, but since wala, so nakabutang diri ang mga recent na gipangbuhat sa users, different types of users. So example, if na mo login a customer, so display siya na login diri and the date and time. So yeah. Next is the report. Syempre, it is a very kanang important for the admin to have a report na report na page. So here we can filter inventory expense report, appointments report, staff attendance report, and then sales report. So this is one of the best features for the system since it can filter dates. So examples, the start date, ag kanos ani mo ganahan, like for example, start tag April 31, then mag-end ta sa June 6. So generate report. So makita diri ang mga inventory report, the price, the sold, the stocks left, the revenue, the capital, and the profit. So also makita po mag-filter po na diri sa appointments report, makita po na siya tanan na appointments within that date. Also same here sa staff attendance report and the sales report. So that's it for the admin. So next is the manager, which will be further discussed ni Koan, Mr. Talabig.
First thing to do is log in the manager account. The money among dashboard, they have total appointments, customers, and pending appointments. And the next is add service. Drit may mo add og service, name, description, duration, and price. After pag-add og new service sa managed service, dili na makitaan ang name service, description, duration, and price and action. Pwede sad siya ma-delete. And the next is add products. Dere may mo add og products, the products name, quality, price, and cost price. And pag human og add og product, manage sa manage inventory products. Dili na makita na product name, oil, towel, tusok, ointment, and alcohol. Pwede sad siya ma-edit, pwede sad siya ma-delete. And the next is pending appointment. Diri ang makita ng pending appointment na gapa-appointment ang mga customer na need pa siya approval or i-reject. Pag human sa appointment pending, manay sa appointment log. Muna yung appointment history na mo na gipang approve o gipang reject. Makita sa diri. And the next is the list of customers. Diri na makita ang mga list of customers. Pwede sad may maka-edit sa yang account o pwede sad may maka-delete. And the next is staff, add staff. Diri mo create og account sa staff, the first name, middle name, last name, and contact number and email and password. After pag-create sa account sa staff, makita diri sa staff monitoring ang mga account. Pwede sad ma-edit, pwede sad siya ma-delete. And the next is user approval. Diri ang makita ang mga user approval na kagamag account na need pa siya approve or reject. And the next is feedback. Dili na mo makita ng mga feedback sa mga customer na okay ra ba sila or need pa nila add service. And the next is invoice. Muna yung mga invoice list na construct construct ka sa payment sa customer na pwede na mo i-approve or i-reject. Nasa siya printed documents. And the next is report. Muna mong reports, pwede siya mag-filter na exactly date or end date. Di mo generate ng report, ang inventory expense report. Same radya po na sila sa appointment report, staff attendance report, and sales report. Maka-generate sila ng mga PDF. And lastly, log out.
Sige, sige. So, for the staff, of course, need pa mo lagyan ng staff para maka-access siya sa dashboard. So, after ma-login, so as you can see sa dashboard na siya activity log. Makita daan dira atong activity logs. Then, for attendance, next features na mo kay attendance. So, pwede siya maka-time in and time out ang kanang staff. So, as you can see, time in and time out. Yes, then for view attendance, next feature nga mo kay view attendance. So, makita tong first name, middle name, last name, time in and na time out na date tong staff. Recorded na sila. Like, yeah. Then, sunod for appointments. So, sa appointments, wala pa man siya dali, pero working ni siya. Makita ang service, location, schedule, mga name sa therapist, kana, payment methods, total amount. Makita na siya tanan appointment status, then action. Makita dyan na siya dira. Then for appointment history, kani sa history niya, makita ang kuan, history ni katong sayang mga kuan. So, makita tong therapist, makita tong payment, Gcash, total na, dayong makita tong mga na-approve or na-reject na mga kuan, payments niya. Then, next feature niya kay ang invoice. So, dire makita ang like services, schedule, then sa payment status, makita tong mga Japon tong na-complete or na-reject, dayong pwede niya ma-accept or ma-reject, dayong print ang kuan, ang resibo sa invoice, yeah. Dayong sa user approval, kanina nakita no resibo, then sa user approval, so user approval, like if na kuan, if na bagong customer, pwede i-accept ni staff if para ma-validate na to yung account. Then, sunod ni ang customer feedback. So, ang mga feedback sa customer, pwede sila mo feedback. So, unsay lang debate about sa service. So, pwede nila ma-rate na excellent. Nga na, pwede po sila na i-adjust. So, yeah, makita diri tanan. Also with a therapist name, then log out na siya.
So moving on to the user interface. So this is the landing page of a customer. We have here the name of our system, the logo, and the services offered by our client. So we have here the description of every service, and then we also have here the information about our client information. And next is the staff member gallery. We have here the information of the staff, their contact number, their names, their positions. And next is the footer. So this is the footer. So before proceeding to the homepage of a customer, the new customer must register first. So customer must fill up the registration form. We have here the first name, the middle name, the last name, contact number, and email and password. Next is the login page. Since our system offer a feature for a user approval, so the staff, it's either the staff or the manager or the admin can approve the customer account. So customer cannot proceed to their home page since their account wasn't wala pa na approve. So yes, wait sa sila confirmation kung sa sila makaproceed. So staff will it's either the staff or the manager will confirm the account. Yeah. So sige, sige. So since staff already approved the account, the customer can now proceed to the homepage. Then log in. So this is the welcome page. We all it's just the same with the landing page. We have the information about the customer, the services offered, and also the staff information. So proceed with the services. So we have here the services offered by our client with their service name, their description, their duration, and price. We also have the therapist availability since the staff can have attendance. Also here the customer can check whether that staff is available or not available. And then when customer wishes to appoint a schedule, then he or she can click the book now. And there book an appointment where customer can select service, choose a therapist. In terms of location, since our client offered uh, home service, they can also choose home service where they must input their complete address. Then we can customer can also select their preferred date and time for the appointment. Since our the client has ang range ra sa time work nila kay between 10 a.m. and 11 p.m. So dili maka-proceed if ang giset nimo nga time kay lang below siya sa 10 or higher sa 11 p.m. So after that, so customer can also check the essentials nga iyang ganahan i-avail. Then proceed to complete payment. So we have here the appointment details. So this is the appointment details. Since since our client offered two payment methods, we have the on-site and pay with GCash. So if you choose to pay on-site, then you can just redirectly to complete the payment. But when you choose to pay with GCash, we have here the QR code of our client. You can just scan the QR code and then input the reference number. Just input the reference number and then upload the receipt. Upload a receipt. After that, proceed to the so here is the appointment details. So since the staff or either the staff or the manager will approve it's the staff and the manager must approve first the appointment schedule before the customer can set the if it's whether the status is already approved or pending. So since wala pa man gi-approve sa staff ang appointment, so ang magawa sa status diri kay pending pa siya. But and also in the actions, once ma-approve na sa staff or sa manager ang appointment, then nay mo gawas dira nga receipt. Also customer can cancel appointment. So if i-approve, i-try daw siya approve trash sa staff. Uy, ilom sa mo. So here is the list of appointments. So once the staff will approve the appointments, there. So once the staff will approve the appointments, in the customer interface daw na ang iyang status kay na change into approved. And also customer can view the receipt of the so here is the generated PDF receipt. And another thing is that customer can give feedbacks to the one who handles them to the staff. So they can just select the staff and then check the boxes. And also customer can freely give suggestions or comments with regards to the performance of the staff. So submit feedbacks. And the last one is the profile. So here it displays the user profile. Also customer can update its information. So So I think that's all, ma'am. Once again, this is our system entitled Healing Hands Reflexology and Massage Management System.